a girl, a 12-year-old. So about me, well, you already know my hacking and coding and everything side of me. I'm also into a lot of different things: fencing, archery, swimming, felting, sewing, a lot of different things. And I love making new friends and talking and talking and talking and talking as much as I can talk. So yeah.
When do you have time to do all this?
Well, I'm homeschooled. Since I'm homeschooled, I have a lot of time for just doing stuff I love and focusing on what I want to study and not Common Core and whatnot. So yeah, that helps a lot.
But why cybersecurity and hacking?
So imagine security and new inventions, like new laptops, like iPhone X 39255, and then it's just gonna be iPhone 1,000,000 one day. So imagine like all the new technology as a bunny or a hare, and security as a turtle. The new inventions keep going up and running away, and the turtle is like super slow. Most things, they create new stuff, they don't secure it, they create a new thing, they don't secure it, so nothing is ever secured. So I think we should just take 1 year to focus on just security and don't create any new products. Before you give a product out there, like here you go, here's the new iPhone 1,000,000,000, they should just secure it, make sure it's secure, test it, and then put it out there, not like new product after new product, buy our stuff, marketing, you know. DEFCON 25 in the Roots Asylum, they held a mock election reporting system, and us kids got to use SQL injection, same thing the Russians used to break into the election system, to break into the mock reporting system to change the vote results. And after we changed the vote results, Congresswoman Mickey Sherrill of New Jersey invited me to go to a congressional hearing on election security. And I was highlighted there. I met the witness panel, and that's what really got me into it. I studied the crap out of it, and in the end, yeah. You know, after doing all of this, I'm just making more talks. I just announced Secure Open Vote, which is my own election system I'm creating. It's an end-to-end election system that has a human readable paper trail, and it's all hand-marked ballots.
Do you have a hero? Who inspires you?
Definitely Lady Ada and Ada Lovelace. Lady Ada was named after Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace helped to work on the thinking machine. Lady Ada runs Adafruit Industries. Adafruit Industries, and she does a lot of cool electronic things, and she's just out there. Same with Grace Hopper, who made the first computer programming language. Those are all some of my heroes.
Where do you see yourself in the future? Do you see yourself working for companies like Facebook, Google, IBM, whatever? Or do you see yourself having your own company, being an entrepreneur?
I actually already have my own company, and with this new election system, I want to work on my election system and definitely my Girls Who Hack, teaching girls the skills of hacking so that they can change the future. Girls Who Hack provides lessons to girls who want to start hacking but don't know where to start. So I hope both of these things get really big and I can focus on them because they're really important causes.
Îți place în România?
Da, iubesc mult, iubesc oamenii de aici și babele mă fac să râd în ori. Eu iubesc Mici, eu iubesc Sarmale, eu iubesc Brașov, București, în Poiană, oriunde. România eu iubesc. E foarte frumos și foarte bun oameni.